Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active cellular plan and available data. Open settings on your iPhone XR and go straight to Personal Hotspot. Turn on cellular data first, then toggle Personal Hotspot. Do this now. It activates the phone's sharing service. Once the toggle shows green, you'll see the Wi-Fi password and network name. Keep the screen visible until the next steps. That makes it easier to read the password and change any settings if needed. Now you can figure how devices connect and why each choice matters. Tap the Wi-Fi password field and set a secure password, at least 8 characters, so others cannot join. Confirm the network name. Devices will display your iPhone XR. Decide connection method: Wi-Fi for most devices, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for the most stable performance. Make sure Bluetooth is discoverable or that you have a USB cable ready. Once done, leave Personal Hotspot active while pairing other devices. To complete the connection, pick your iPhone XR network on the other device and enter the password shown on screen. For USB, plug in the Lightning cable, tap Trust if prompted, and ensure Personal Hotspot stays enabled while connected. Monitor the status bar. It shows a blue band or chain link when active. If things go wrong, try toggling Personal Hotspot off and on, restart the iPhone XR, or reset network settings as a last resort. That simple restart often clears handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.